Our world is changing faster than ever. Climate disasters, conflicts, and displacement are on the rise. The United Nations reported over 120 million people forcibly displaced, a number that has doubled in the last decade. These people deserve more than just a tent or sleeping on the grass. As engineers and researchers, what can we do? The answer is we can offer better shelter solutions. Not fragile tents, not structures taking days to build up, but something stronger, faster, and truly adaptive. What about a foldable concrete shelter, like origami? This ancient art of origami turns a flat sheet of paper into something dynamic, unfolding to cover a large area, folding flat for easy storage. Now imagine doing that with concrete. Something possible, right? Not anymore. Meet concrete origami. Imagine this. This is not a paper piece, but a very thin, ultra-strong concrete panel. It is toughened with microfibers, so they are lighter, tougher, and more bendable than traditional concrete. No cracks, no breaks, just strength. Next, we add smart hinge, a hybrid of flexible polymer and tough metal. These hinges are designed to fold effortlessly, like a well-oiled joint, but lock firmly into place once the structure is fully deployed. Put it all together, and you get a structure that folds flat for transport and unfolds in minutes. Picture this, a shelter that is as easy to move as a tent, but as strong as a building. When the job is done, fold it up and reuse it, just like packing a cardboard box. Concrete origami. For disaster relief, for recovery, for resilience. For safety, dignity, and hope.